Alrighty, look what I have. It's a box. And it's a box from Diamond Art Club. This particular shipment was shipped from West Hollywood, California. So apparently they haven't moved completely to their East Coast location. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Let's get into this box. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. I actually have two boxes here from Diamond Art Club. Both of them arrived on the same day. And I'm not sure I'm going to do unboxings for both of them today, but I am going to do this one. And look, air pillows once again. I guess they're doing away with the paper. Alrighty, let's get rid of this big shipping box. And I have my packing slip. And this is Halloween nighttime. Yes, it is. Now, I know I'm not the first to do an unboxing for this. I think there's been 3 or 4 that I've seen so far. But only one of those videos did the creator actually go into detail about the glow-in-the-dark features and where they're located. So here we are. There it is. Halloween nighttime. Yes, I was fortunate enough to get it. And I am tickled to death that I did. This is a size 47 by 47 centimeter round diamonds with ABs. Now the ABs are, I guess, are going to be the glow in the dark. So I am just so excited about this. I know I'm not going to get it finished for this Halloween, but hopefully I'll have it done for next year. Alright, let's get into this now. Okay. This corner of the box is slightly smashed, but I'm not concerned about that. And we have a toolkit. Now this one's a little bit different from the last Diamond Art Club toolkit that I opened, where it said in the bottom here, round toolkit contents. And this one just says toolkit contents. So let's open this and see. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the standard kit. Come on, fingers, work today. Alrighty, so I have a blue pen with the blue grippy. The pen has a single placer. It also came with a 3-placer that was not attached. Oh, a couple of bags here. Come on, Diamond Art Club. Really? 3 bags? Come on. And we have our clear boat with the 2 heart-shaped waxes. Alright, so that's that. Look at this. 3 Ziploc bags. For the price that we paid for these, you would think that they could put in a few more. Alrighty, so toolkit's done. As I said, it was a pretty standard toolkit. Put these drills off to the side for a minute. We'll go in and have a look at this canvas first. Since I don't have normal children, I have 4-legged children. I don't really celebrate Halloween all that much. It used to be one of my favorite holiday, or if you want to call it a holiday, favorite times of the year when I was younger. But now that I'm older, it's just another day. Uh-oh. I think there might be something left in the box. Indeed there is. The stickers. Alright, put that off to the side for just a second. So here is the canvas and the image. I'm sure you've all seen it before from other YouTubers. I'm going to attempt to roll this the opposite way so we can get it to lay flat. And it's okay to do that with poured glue. And I'm just going to hold this just for a couple of seconds here just to try to get this to flatten out. Alright, so here we go. This is so cool. I am very, very pleased with this image. As usual with Diamond Art Club canvases, the drill field is very, very clear and the symbols are easy to read. And I see the symbols on this canvas are very similar, pretty much exactly the same as the symbols that I have on my Indian peafowl. I'm not sure if the colors are the same. I doubt that that would be the case, but the symbols are the same. So there you go. I'm going to hold this up so maybe you can see the drill field a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. I think I'm in my light. And those cute little pumpkins. And the haunted house. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to flip this upside down so I can have a look at these drills. Crinkle alert, folks, crinkle alert. You might want to mute your devices until you see me get these drills out of their package. And they are packaged so neatly. Okay, all the label has is the canvas number. There's no other information on that. No born on date, no name, just the canvas number. Alright, let's try to unfold these. So many pretty colors here once again. I have a yellow that is number 445. Oh, it's kind of a, I don't know what to call that. It's kind of a brownish orange, and that's 301. And 444, which is a yellow. 900, which is kind of an orangey red. And then we have this really nice orange, which is 742. Another yellow, which is 726. Oh, and this is a brown, and it is 898. And another color that's kind of hard to describe, but it is a type of a brown. It's 400. And now this is definitely brown. This is a darker brown, and it's number 300. And another orange, 947. And yet another dark brown, very dark brown, 938. Oh, and here we have an orange, 742, and a darker orange, which is 740. And we have, it's like a black, 3371, and yet another orange. Imagine that. 741, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310s. Ooh. However, let's see. I do not have the glow in the darks. I'm going to go through these one more time. The glow in the dark should be E742, 445, 301, 444, 900. Oh, here we are. I'm sorry. E742. There is one bag of those. Not a whole bunch of them, but I do have them. Thank goodness. Alright, so I can, now that I've determined that I do have my glow in the darks, I am going to put these off to the side for a second. Now I know that you all are aware of what this image is, but here is the sticker and the color list. That's the image. Here's the color list. I don't know if you can see that or not. I have a feeling that my camera is not focusing very well. Okay. Yes, and we do like our stickers. Thank you, Diamond Art Club, for the stickers. Now, just give us a few more Ziploc bags, please. Alright, I wanted to kind of just go through the areas that have the glow in the dark. And the glow in the dark is number 16, and it's the symbol A. And let me turn this around so I can see it a little bit better. And the A's are the eyes, nose, and mouth of this pumpkin. This one, and this one. It's also the windows and the door frame of the haunted mansion. And I'm trying to see if there's some scattered around in the moon. Now, I'm not really seeing much in the moon as far as the glow-in-the-dark drills. But I just think this would have been really sweet if the whole moon was glow-in-the-dark. And we have a tree here, right in here. I'm sure you can see that. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bats. I do believe that I'm going to be using a multi-placer quite a bit on this canvas. And I did mention that it is a 47 by 47 centimeter round. The name is Halloween Nighttime, and I am really excited about this. I really think it would have been so much nicer if the whole moon was glow in the dark, don't you think? Along with the pumpkins' faces, the jack-o'-lanterns' faces. So there it is. Halloween Nighttime from Diamond Art Club. And I didn't really check to see how sticky it is, but I'm sure that it's very good. Oh yeah. And the drill field is very clear. I'm not seeing any issues with the adhesive or the canvas. I'm trying to pull this back, but it's a little stubborn. I don't want that to flip backwards and stick on the wrong side. Yeah, it's very, very good as usual. This will be a load of fun to work on. Alrighty. I'm going to put this protective plastic back on it. Try not to get any dog hairs on it or people hairs or dust, lint or anything. Alright, I am very pleased with this. Now I understand that this was a limited edition and it's sold out in a matter of 2 to 3 hours. That's amazing. Perhaps this might be worth something someday because of the fact that it's a limited edition. I don't know about that, but one could hope. Alrighty, well I'm going to go ahead and roll it back up and put it back in its box where it will stay until it's time for me to start drilling it. And the box does have its holographic snowflakes. Such a pretty box too. I think that Diamond Art Club is really just top-notch. I know when I first started making videos I wasn't all that hyped up about Diamond Art Club. But as I acquired more and more and saw the quality, I have become sold. And today is the 21st of September, Saturday. And they are going to have some special releases today. One that I am going to have is another Chuck Pinson image. And for the life of me, I'm sorry I can't remember the name. It's kind of an unusual name, but it will be in my collection. No doubt about it. I mean, it is a scenic picture with a, looks like a log cabin or an A-frame home on a lake. And it definitely is going to be in my collection. Okay, I'm just going to fold this for right now. And stash it into the bag with the drills. Y'all know this is how I keep my drills, in 1-gallon Ziploc bags. And it will go in my stash with all my other drills. And as usual, it comes with the 9-step instructions to diamond painting on one side, and on the back side it just says visit our online store at www.diamondartclub.com and get your next masterpiece. Alrighty, well, I think that is going to conclude this video for the day. I still have yet another box from Diamond Art Club to open, and I'm not sure that I'm going to do it today. I'm tired, and I really had a bad day yesterday. I could not sleep. It was 7 o'clock, and I was still 7 o'clock in the evening, and I was still awake, and my alarm goes off at 9 o'clock. for me to get up and go to work. So I didn't get much sleep yesterday, and I'm really dragging my tail feathers. So I believe it's going to be an early to bed day today. Today or tonight is my last night of work before I start my holiday, my vacation to Europe and the cruise back to the States, and I am just so excited. It's finally starting to sink in that I'm actually going to do this trip. It has been on my bucket list for so long, and it's finally going to happen. So, alrighty, well, I want y'all to have yourself a spectacular day. And my little buddy Cody Joe is right here with me, as usual. Belly up. Cody. And his little tail's going. I don't think you can see it from this position, but Cody Joe. Cody Joe. Don't you want to get up and say hello to everybody? You're always the star of the show. Come on, get up and... Oh, big stretch. Oh, big stretch. Tickle, 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 tickle. He's like, no, I'm not no star today. I'm just going to sleep. And Dad, you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to sleep and sleep some more. All right, so y'all, you know my spiel about helping to take care of the animals in humane societies and rescue groups. Please consider a monetary donation to your local shelter, humane society, rescue group. They need so much help to maintain these animals, dogs and cats and puppies and kittens. If you can't make a donation, a financial donation or monetary donation, maybe you can consider donating some of your time. So any help that you can offer, I'm sure would be greatly accepted. So thank you so much for letting me give you that spiel one more time. I know I put it in all my videos.